Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to the class of mathematics class 8. In this video we'll begin with exercise 3.1, that how to solve the exercise 3.1, and the question is, here are some figures. You have to answer the questions from these figures. Means from these figures you have to find out the simple curve. And if you remember, then we have studied what is a simple curve, right? So from this figure you have to number those figures, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, each figure is of simple curve. So the correct answer is 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. These are called as simple curve. Then next is simple closed curve. In that we studied simple closed curve means the figure which will not intersect. ओके तो यहाँ पर कौन सी फिगर इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है? एक तो ये इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है, देन दिस थर्ड वन. सो फॉर दिस द आंसर विल बी 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Then the third question is polygon. Means from this you have to identify the polygon. So what do you mean by polygon? A closed shape. तो यहाँ बहुत सारे shapes ऐसे हैं जो closed है, but they must be made up of only straight line. So यहाँ straight line से बने हुए कौन से shapes हैं? Only straight line 1, 2 and 4, right? So the answer is 1 and 2. Then the next one is convex polygon, concave and convex. So what do you mean by convex? Convex means banded outside. So this kind of polygons you can consider in convex polygon, and this kind of you can consider in concave because it's banded inward. Okay, so this about the first question, and let's move with the next question, question 2. So here the question 2 is, how many diagonals does each of the following have? Here are some questions. You have to mention the number of diagonals in each. So the first one is convex quadrilateral. So this is convex quadrilateral, and you know the definition of diagonal. Diagonal means the line which is joining the opposite vertices. So this line is called as diagonal. So in this you will find out two diagonals. In next one, regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means hexagon in which all the sides are equal. So here you will, by joining the different vertices, you will get 9 diagonals. And in triangle is a figure in which there is no diagonal, so 0 diagonal in the triangle. Moving with the third question, what third question you can do by yourself. Let's go with fourth one. For fourth question, they have given you this table. You have to examine this table, means you have to understand this table, and then after you have to answer this question. So here in this table you can observe that here 3 sides are there. So angle sum is 180. Then here you have to consider boundaries. So here 4 sides are there. As 4 sides are there, they have written angle sum property, means their angle sum is given in this way. So 2 into 180 means ये 2 into 180 कहाँ से आया? Number of sides minus 2 into 180. Similarly here the number of sides are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of side minus 2 into 180. So same thing you have to follow for the given questions. So suppose 7. तो ये 7 जो है वो number of side है. So number of side minus 2 into 180. Then you will get the angle sum for the convex polygon having 7 sides. So 7 minus 2, 5 into 180, you will get the answer. Similarly for 8 sides. So what is the formula? That is 8 minus 2 into 180. Solve it and multiply it, you will get the answer. एंड फॉर n इट इज़ n माइनस 2 इंटू 180. यहाँ वो सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा, n means for any number of lines. So this is how you can solve the question 4. So today we are keeping up to here. Now next question we will do in the next video. Okay. Jazakallah everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.